So in this problem we have been given two numbers. The first number is 3 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10. And the second number is 5 raised to the power 10. And then we have to find which number is larger number. Now to solve such kind of problem, we have to first observe the base and observe the exponent. Now in this case, if you look the exponent, we have 10 and here 10 and here also exponent is 10. So exponent is same in all cases. Now let us see the base. Here we have base is 3 and here we have base is 4 and here we have base is 5. So bases are not same, but they follow some kind of rule. For example, in this case the rule will be if you square 3 and then square 4, and if you sum these two numbers, this is equals to 5 square. So 3, 4, 5 form a kind of triplet. So we will use this fact while solving the problem. So let us try to find, or first let us try to simplify and then we can compare. So let us see what we have. We have first number is 3 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10, or we have to compare this with 5 raised to the power 10. Now what you will do as a first step? What we can do is, we can divide each number by 5 raised to the power 10. 5 raised to the power 10 is the biggest number. So let us divide both sides by 5 raised to the power 10. I mean both number. So this is same as comparing 3 raised to the power 10 plus 3 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 10, or this side we will have 1. So now we have to compare 1 with this number. So the job becomes little simpler. Now further, if you remember rules of exponent, if you have a raised to the power m and b raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, then we can write a by b raised to the power m. So here I can write 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 by 5 raised to the power 10, or we have to compare this with 1. Now what should I do next? That is important point. Now we will use this identity, that is 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. So if you divide this, so this will become, so we have 3 square. So let me write here 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. Now if you divide by 5 square both sides, what will happen? You will have 3 square divided by 5 square plus 4 square divided by 5 square, and this side will have 5 square divided by 5 square. So this means now this identity is 3 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 5 whole square is equals to 1. Equals to 1. So now you see we have to compare these two numbers. Original problem is here. So this is the original problem. So we can rewrite, that is 3 by 10. So this is 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 by 5 raised to the power 10, or 1. So we have to compare this number with 1. But we have just shown this is also equals to 1. So this is the key step. So this, or we can compare this with this number, that is 3 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 5 whole square, because this is also equals to 1. Now here is the trick. What we will do is, we will compare this number with this number and this number with this number. Now see, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 both are a smaller number, that is less than 1. So both are less than 1. Now which number will be larger? So if I ask you 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 or 3 by 5 square, which is a smaller in this case? 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 will be a smaller, because this number is a number that is less than 1 and you are raising power 10. So if you have more powers, number becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. So this means this number is a smaller number and this number is larger number. So we will have something like this. Similarly, for this case, that is this side, what we will have? We will have, that is here we will have 4 by 5 raised to the power 10. This is less than 4 by 5 square. So this means if you add these two equations, so what you can say? You can say that 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 by 5 raised to the power 10 is less than 3 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 5 whole square. And we already know that this part, that is this portion, is equals to 1. We already know that 3 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 5 whole square is equals to 1. So now I can say that, so this thing 3 by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 by 5 raised to the power 10 is less than 1. This means now I can reverse the situation, that is, so this problem I can reverse. So I can write 3 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 10 is less than 1. And 5 raised to the power 10, it can go this side. So we will have 3 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10 is less than 5 by 5 raised to the power 10. So in this case, 5 raised to the power 10 is a larger number. So this number is the larger number compared to 3 raised to the power 10 plus 4 raised to the power 10. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please like this video in my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.